Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be going over casting in Java. So in Java, as you learned earlier, you cannot take an integer variable and set it equal to a double value. If I were to run that, it's going to yield an error and won't work for you. You can see the error that came up is that you have a possible lossy conversion from double to an int. So that won't allow you to do that. And so if for some reason I would like to make a double an int, I simply need to add a cast in front of it. So adding the word int in front of 5.6 will allow that to just become 5. Most commonly we see casting when we're doing different math with Java. So I'm going to show you a couple of examples of doing some casting with Java and what answers come from it. So for example, if I do system.out.println and I just do, say, 5 divided by, let's keep it easy, 2 divided by 4, I should get 1/2, but when I run that, I'm actually going to end up getting 0 because those are integers. So there's a couple ways I can fix that. I can simply make, as long as one of them is a double, then it'll treat them as doubles. So I can simply say 2.0 divided by 4, and that would work. I could make them both 2.0 and 4.0. That would work too, same thing. Or I can use the casting. I can put the word double in front of the 2 and divide that by 4, and that would work as well. So let's go ahead and run those. Make sure that we don't have any errors that I missed. But you can see that all 3 of those now give me the answer I was expecting. So the minute I change any one to 0.0, it automatically would convert it to a double. Now I don't have the luxury of doing that when I'm working with variable names. I actually will have to use the casting then by putting the double in parentheses in front of it. Just to make sure that we have a good grasp of this, if I were to put double in parentheses and do the 2 divided by 4 in parentheses, just note that the computer's actually going to go ahead and do the math first, the parentheses first, and then it's going to cast it. So it would do the 2 divided by 4 as integers, which would give me a 0, and then it would cast that to a double. So that's going to give me an answer of 0.0 because it wants to be a double, as you can see on the output here on the right. So my first plain 2 divided by 4, those are integers, so it gives me just a 0. That last one, because I casted the whole thing to a double, that gives me a 0.0. So where this becomes necessary is if I have, say, a couple integer variables, as I kind of showed in the notes. So if I say that my first test is a 96, and I have a second test as, say, we'll say 99, and then I want to get the average of those 2 tests. And I know that my averages don't always come out to a integer number, so I'm going to make it a double because I expect an average to be double. So I can say double average equals, in parentheses, test 1 plus test 2. And because I have 2 of them, I'm going to divide it by 2. And we're going to see that when we run that, well, we don't want to run it yet. Let's go ahead and put a system.out with average in it. And when we run that, even though we're going to expect to get a decimal answer, you're going to have a 0.0, but it's going to treat all of those as integers when it does the math. So instead of being a 97.5, which it should be, it's just 97. So in order to fix that, I would need to do a couple things. I could make this 2.0 and that would fix it. But if I didn't have the luxury of having a number there, I would have to go ahead and cast something. So I could cast this sum to a double, or I could cast any one of the individual tests to a double. So as long as I cast something to a double first, and then when it goes to do the math, it will treat them as decimals or doubles and give me the answer I'm looking for. So this is an example of that runtime error, where the first time I did it, everything works and it gives you an answer, it's just not the one you expect. So that's a runtime error, and that's one that you kind of have, those are a little bit harder to find, but this is a common time when you might get a runtime error. So that's just a quick rundown of casting, and you'll have plenty of opportunity to practice that on your own.